One book, 66 smaller books inside it, written by over 40 different authors across 3 continents, over 1,500 years. And yet it tells one continuous story. A story about a garden that was lost and a kingdom that's coming back. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to take you from the very first sentence ever written to the last page of human history. Stay till the end, because the twist in the middle changes everything. In the beginning, there was nothing. Then God speaks, and light, oceans, mountains, and stars appear out of nothing. He creates two people, Adam and Eve, and places them in a perfect garden called Eden. They walk with God. No death, no shame, no fear. Then one command is broken. God said one tree was off limits, just one. But a voice in the garden whispers a lie: you won't really die. Eve reaches out, Adam follows, and paradise in one bite is lost. Humanity is cast out of the garden, the gate sealed behind them. And the rest of the Bible, every page after this one, is God's plan to bring them back in. Centuries pass, the world grows violent and broken, but God chooses one man, Abraham, and makes him a promise. Look at the stars. Your family will be too many to count, and through them, I will bless the entire world. Abraham's descendants become slaves in Egypt for 400 years. Then a man named Moses is sent to free them. 10 plagues fall on Egypt. The sea splits in two, and in one night a nation is born out of slavery. God gives them laws to live by, how to love him and how to love each other. But here's the problem: they can't keep them. Every king, every generation after this one, fails to live it out perfectly. So prophets rise up across the nation and warn, something greater is coming, a rescuer, not just for one nation, for the whole world. Generation after generation waits for him.
Then, silence. For 400 years, no prophets speak, no voice from heaven, just centuries of waiting in the dark. The whole Old Testament ends on a cliffhanger. The rescuer still hasn't come. Then, in a small, forgotten town, a baby is born. Not in a palace, but in a feeding trough. His name is Jesus. He grows up healing the sick, forgiving the guilty, and saying something no prophet ever dared say. I and the Father are one. The religious leaders are furious at his claim. They arrest him. They execute him on a Roman cross. His followers scatter in fear and grief. It looks for a moment like the story is completely over. 3 days later, the tomb is empty. He appears alive to over 500 people. Death, the one enemy no human being has ever defeated, has just been defeated. For good, that one moment reframes everything that came before it. The garden that was lost, he's rebuilding it. The promise to Abraham, fulfilled. The law no one could keep, he kept it perfectly, and now offers it as a gift to anyone who'll take it. So that's the Bible, not a rule book, but a rescue story. And it isn't finished yet. It says he's coming back, not as a baby this time, but as a king. If this gave you chills, hit subscribe and tell me in the comments which part surprised you most. May God's blessings be with you.